Feeling confident and radiant starts from within. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 feminine hygiene tips that includes taking care of your body from inside out that has totally changed my life, and I bet it's going to change yours too. Hi my loves, and welcome to my Sunday self-care series where we talk about everything self-care. My name is Sisi Denike. Today we're going to dive deep into 10 feminine hygiene tips that can totally change the game for you. This doesn't only include you taking care of your body externally, this also includes how you nourish your body internally. Start with an hydrating shower routine. One thing I do when I get into the shower to start my routine is to grab my African neck sponge. You can find this on Amazon, you can find it in the local African store near you. I always start my shower routine with the Dove, shea butter and vanilla bar soap. Its creamy lather cleanses without drying, and the warm vanilla scent is the perfect way to start my day. It smells so good. I only exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. So I go in with my sugar scrub, and this is very good. If you want that soft skin, this is going to be your go-to because it helps exfoliate your skin, takes out all the dead skin cells, and gives your body this soft texture, and it smells amazing. You can get this from Shoppers Drug Mart or the Real Canadian Superstore. You have different scents to choose from. If you're someone who has a sensitive skin and you don't want something that will scrub it too hard, you can go in with the Dove body scrub, and that also works. After you scrub your whole body, your body kind of becomes dry, and you don't want to leave the shower with a dry skin. You always want to put in something that would moisturize, that will lock in the moisture for you. And what I use is this. I use this body oil from Naturium. I also use the Naturium glycolic body wash as well. That also does the work for me. So some days if I'm feeling fancy and I want to go the extra miles, I go with this. But for some days where I don't want to do too much, I just go in with my regular body wash. You can use any body wash of your choice. Once you're done with that, you also need to take care of your kitty cat. You don't go in with the regular body wash to scrub down there. I always recommend using unscented soap, Dove sensitive skin. This is what I use down there. I do not go in with this, but I go in with this. And you're not going inside, you're just doing the outer corner and making sure everything is clean. If you're somebody who have a strong scent, the ordinary glycolic acid is going to be your best friend because that also helps you to get rid of funky smells. You can definitely use this, and you can also use the Panoxy. Use this to wash your armpit, and also once you're out of the shower you can use the ordinary glycolic acid. Put this on like a cotton pad and use it to clean your armpit. You can get this in Shoppers, but the percentage is about 4%. This is from the States. The next thing is you need to spray your armpit. Dove Advanced Dry Spray. This is the one I use. So if you're somebody who like the sweet smell, this is something you can also go for. You can also get this at Shoppers. You can get it at Walmart. It's available everywhere. So get one of these. Straight out of the shower, this should be the first thing you should spray. And after I go in with my spray, I make sure that I do not completely dry my body. I go in with the EOS. This you cannot get in Canada, but there are other options you can use here in Canada as well. You can use the Nivea cocoa butter, you can use Neutrogena. Like there are several options of body lotions you can use, and it still gets you to smell good and locks in the moisture. This doesn't really give you so much moisture. It's just a smell good. It smells very good, and that is why I like it. But for me, because I still want to get that glowy finish, I pair with oil. You can use the Vaseline oil. Pairing both together gives you this glowy finish. This too, you can't get it here in Canada, but you can get it on Amazon, but it's pretty expensive. There are other options you can choose from. There's the Johnson & Johnson body gel. That also does the same work as this. This is very thick, and if you're somebody that doesn't want something too thick, you can go for the Aveeno body oil, or you can go for the Neutrogena body oil. That also does the same. And if you're somebody who doesn't really like lotion like that, this Herbal Cocoa Butter, this smells amazing. This, you can definitely get this in Canada here. I got this here in Canada, and I got it from a local African store, so you can get it, you can just check, and that would do the work for you. Also want to make sure that you have signature scent. So when I say signature scent, if you notice, most of the things I use, it's vanilla. So I have this line so that everything smells the same way, so that when I put on perfumes, I'm not doing too much. I got this from Sephora. This is much on the pricey side, but if you're looking for something that is more affordable, you can always get something from Bath and Body Works. And this also, you can get a lot of body mist there. Oral hygiene is also something that is very, very important. Make sure you're brushing your teeth, because you don't want to layer all these things out of shower smelling good, and you open your mouth and you have a bad breath. So you go in with your toothbrush, any toothpaste of your choice, but this is my own go-to, and do your mouthwash as well. Just do the mouthwash thing. Try as much as possible to floss your teeth, as much as possible to get out all those eating food particles that are eating that your toothbrush cannot get out. And don't forget your tongue. Your tongue is also very important. You can do all the mouth washing. If your tongue is white, your breath is going to stink. So you always make sure that your tongue, you take extra time to scrub it. Your tongue shouldn't be looking white. Your tongue should be looking pink. Another thing you want to also make sure you're doing is nourishing your body from inside out, making sure you're taking your vitamins. That is how you can nourish your body. You can ladder every product you have on the shelf on your external body. If you're not taking care of your skin from inside out, it will show. There are several vitamins you can be taking. Don't just take any vitamins, but the ones I know, I take the omega-3 6-9. I also take vitamin D. There are other vitamins you can take for a specific reason. I have other vitamins I take, but for my skin, I take the vitamin D, and I also take the omega-3 6-9. One thing you can also do to nourish your body from inside out is taking probiotics. You can get probiotics supplement, and most of the time you can also get it from yogurt. So I take a lot of yogurt. It's good for your gut health as well as your vaginal health. You can also get cranberry juice. You can drink cranberry juice, and you can also use if you don't want to take the juice, you can take the cranberry supplement. These are all things you can also use to help your kitty cat. Hydration is very, very important for your skin. Hydrate. You can time yourself to make sure you drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water in a day. Why I have this I got this while I was pregnant, and this has actually served me a lot. At least it contains about 1.5 liters of water. 1.5 liters, almost 2 liters. So this, drinking a whole bottle of this a day, it gives me the proper hydration I need. For skincare, so you need to just take care of your skin, making sure you're doing your toner, you're washing your face, doing double cleansing, because when you have your makeup on, double cleansing, but don't double cleanse every day, or else you're going to strip off your skin and it's going to give you this extra dry skin, and you don't want that, and that can lead you to having breakout and all that. So using the right serums on your face, and the most important thing is SPF is going to be your best friend. You can lather everything on. SPF is very, very good for your face. And there's also body SPF, but generally I do not use that. Or you can also use body SPF if you're somebody that's always out in the sun. But for my face, SPF is something I don't joke with. Even though I'm inside of the house, I still apply my SPF. Whether you're going out or you're staying in, apply your SPF daily. I'm going to do another video where I dive into skincare properly. find a day to pamper yourself. You don't need to go to the spa to take care of your body. Just, get yourself a cozy robe, something to just make you feel good. It's winter right now, something cozy. And if it's summer, you can get your silk robe just to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Taking care of yourself is very, very important. Self-care is not selfish. Let me know in the comment section, what is your number one tip for feeling confident and fresh all day? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with somebody who's going to benefit from this. And I'll see you next week Sunday for more self-care vibe.